So today's workout was German volume style. I did flies, push-ups, and dips. I did 10 sets, 15 reps per set. Then I finished with some ab coasters. I did 4 sets of 15. And the reason why I'm doing more calisthenics is because calisthenics give your body a different look. We already know muscle. You know, you can build muscle through hypertrophy, strength training, weights, resistance training, but calisthenics gives your body a different, like, density, right? And then you become in tune with your body, right? It's good for your ligaments, it's good for your joints naturally because your only resistance is your body weight. So I've been trying to, I have been getting more into it now. Along with my pull-ups, I'm gonna start doing more push-ups. I've been lacking on my push-ups, so I'm about to start doing more of those to develop my chest. And I'm gonna cut out creatine. I'm gonna cut out creatine because I'm noticing that creatine has been having me hold a lot of water. I'm prone to holding water because I drink a lot of water. So me, with a sodium intake, creatine, and the water intake I do, I'm holding water. So I have to cut down the sodium, and I don't have to cut out the creatine, but I am gonna cut it out. Like, I'm trying to lose weight, so I have to do those things. This weekend I had a cheat meal, and I'm still feeling the effects of it. Like, I'm still holding water. I still feel a little heavy. So, I did gain like a pound. But it's all good, though. It's all good. A few days of work, the water weight will go off, and then, whatever else left should come out. But, yeah, man, that's just, you got to identify these things when you losing weight so you know what to fix. You're going to have ups and downs, right? But the goal is to, break through the plateaus and continue to lose weight. And even if you lose weight to an ounce, like, you're getting weight off of you. So I won't be having no more cheat meals. And if I do go out, I'll be making smart decisions, which I've been doing. But I wanted to try that Luffy Bento box. But yeah, I'm about to start incorporating more calisthenics. I really wanted to do this workout today. I was looking forward to it because I'm trying to get more in tune with my body, get a different look. Of course, I'm gonna always do weights. I love weights, but my push-ups, my pull-ups, my dips, my leg raises, my bar work, I'm gonna start focusing more on my bar work and on my ground work.